Dear students, now I am starting a new chapter, that is the neurotransmitter. I am Dr. Shomit Karmukar, Assistant Professor, Medical College, Kolkata. Introduction and History. Synaptic physiology is a rapidly expanding and complex field. Earliest evidence of neurohumoral transmission made by Lornsky and Langley. In 1905, T.R. Eliot postulated sympathetic transmission of epinephrine-like substances. In 1914, Dales distinguished nicotinic and muscarinic action of acetylcholine. In 1920, Otto Louis first detected that chemical messengers was released by the vagal nerve supplying the heart to reduce the heart rate. In 1946, von Willer found that norepinephrine is a prominent sympathomimetic substance. Now the definition of the different substances, that is neurotransmitter. Substances that released on excitation from presynaptic action terminal of central and peripheral neurons that travels across the synaptic cleft to excite or inhibit the target cell. That is the substance released from the released from the presynaptic action terminal after excitation in central or peripheral neuron, and they travel the synaptic cleft and excite or inhibit the target cell. Next, neuromodulator. Chemicals released by the neurons that have little or no direct effect on their own. That is, they have no direct effect, but they can modify the effect of the neurotransmitters. Neurohormones. Chemicals secreted by the neurons entering blood and acting as hormone. Example: epinephrine, ADH, GnRH. Neurosteroid. Many steroids are neuroactive steroids that they affect brain function. Brain can also produce some hormonally active steroids from simple steroid precursors. They are collectively called neurohormones. Now, neurotransmitters. What are the characteristics of the neurotransmitters? That it must be present in the presynaptic terminals. The cells must be able to synthesize it. It should be released on depolarization of terminals. There should be specific receptors for it on the postsynaptic membrane. It should be disposed of quickly by suitable system as soon as its action is over, that is the reuptake. Classification. There is a broad classification with the three types. One, small molecule neurotransmitters. Number two, large molecule neurotransmitters or neuropeptides. Number three, gaseous neurotransmitters. Examples of gaseous neurotransmitter is NO and carbon monoxide. Now, small molecule neurotransmitters. Number one, acetylcholine. Number two, অ্যামিনো অ্যাসিড মধ্যে আছে গ্লুটামেট, গাবা, গ্লাইসিন, aspartate. Number 3, biogenic amine. There is norepinephrine, epinephrine, dopamine, serotonin, histamine. Number 4, purine and pyrimidine. That is the ATP, adenosine. These are the small molecule neurotransmitters. Uridine also. Now, neuropeptides. Number 1, hypothalamic hormones. Hypothalamic hormones এর মধ্যে কি আছে আমরা জানি, CRH, TRH, GnRH, all the releasing hormones, oxytocin, vasopressin and somatostatin. Pituitary peptides, these pituitary hormones, ACTH, GH, all the stimulating hormone, and the TSH, LH, prolactin, alpha MSH, beta endorphin. Opioid peptides. ওপিওয়েডের মধ্যে আছে হচ্ছে তোমার ডাইনরফিন, এম এনকেফালিন, এল এনকেফালিন। নিউরোপেপটাইড ওয়াই রিলেটেড পেপটাইড এর মধ্যে নিউরোপেপটাইড ওয়াই, ট্র্যাকিকাইনিন, it contains the substance P, neurokinin alpha, neurokinin beta, neurokinin kappa. Peptide acting on gut and brain, that is gastrin, CCK-PJ, VIP, nerve growth factor, neurotensin, insulin, glucagon like peptide, and others মধ্যে হচ্ছে orexin, motilin, angiotensin 2, bradykinin, calcitonin G related peptide, cannabinoid, prostaglandins. Now the receptors of the neurotransmitters. There are these few important points about the receptor. Number 1, each neurotransmitter acts on many subtypes of the receptor and makes its effects in a given cell more selective. That is, the neurotransmitter is released, one type of neurotransmitter can act on a different type of the receptor, and there is a different type of action. Example, norepinephrine acts on the alpha, beta, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 receptors, and they have the different function on attachment with the different type of the receptors. Number 2, there are receptors on the presynaptic and also postsynaptic elements. Presynaptic, there are the two types, autoreceptor and the heteroreceptor. The autoreceptor, a type of the presynaptic receptor. It inhibits further secretion of the same neuropeptide. Example, that is the norepinephrine acts on the alpha 2 presynaptic receptor, inhibit additional norepinephrine secretion. That is the autoreceptor at the receptor which may be present presynaptic membrane or the postsynaptic membrane, and they cause the release of they inhibit the release of the other same receptor or the other receptor. If it is the same receptor, same neurotransmitter, it is the autoreceptor. If it is the other neurotransmitter, it is the heteroreceptor. Heteroreceptor is also a type of the presynaptic receptor. It inhibits further release of the secretion of the other neurotransmitter. Example, the norepinephrine acts on the heteroreceptor on cholinergic nerve terminal to inhibit the release of the acetylcholine. এখানে autoreceptor ক্ষেত্রে norepinephrine inhibit the release of the norepinephrine, এখানে norepinephrine inhibit the release of the other neurotransmitter. In this case, it is the acetylcholine. Number 3, receptor may be ionotropic receptor. The receptor may be two types. It is the ionotropic receptor and the metabotropic receptor. Ionotropic receptor is the ligand gated. This is nothing but the ligand gated channel. That is ligand. It is the ion channel. That is ligand. That is the neurotransmitter binds to the receptor and the channel opens, and brief increase of the ion conduction, that is as it is the ion channel, there is the increase of the ion conductance and the fast synaptic transmission. Number 2, metabotropic receptor. It is nothing but the G protein coupled receptor. আমরা এর আগে অনেকবারই জেনেছি যে what is G protein coupled receptor. It is the 7 helical membrane protein, and at which the attached the G protein, that is G protein alpha, beta and gamma. The binding of the neurotransmitter with this receptor produces, that is production of the second messenger. Second messenger কি আছে, যেমন calcium, that is the cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP, IP3, DAG, and this causes the modulation of the voltage gated channel. There is the modulation of the voltage gated channel and voltage gated channel on the neuronal membrane. Number 4 character of the receptor, that is the receptors are concentrated in clusters on postsynaptic membrane close to the ending of neuron that secrete neurotransmitter. That is, the receptors are concentrated clusters in the postsynaptic membrane close to the ending of the neuron that secrete the neurotransmitter due to the presence of the specific binding protein on them. That is, at the postsynaptic membrane there is a specific neurotransmitter binding protein. The protein is present, and where there is the receptors are concentrated. Desensitization. On prolonged exposure to other ligands, most receptors becomes unresponsive. যে একই লিগ্যান্ডের সঙ্গে যখন অনেকক্ষণ ধরে এক্সপোজার থাকে, it may be unresponsive, receptor may be unresponsive, and this unresponsiveness, that is the desensitization, may be 2 type. Number 1, the homologous desensitization, that is the loss of responsiveness to particular ligand by maintained responsiveness to other ligands. লস অফ রেসপন্সিভনেস টু পার্টিকুলার, একই যে লিগ্যান্ডের সঙ্গে অনেকক্ষণ ধরে এক্সপোজড হয়েছে, শুধু অনলি ফর দ্যাট লিগ্যান্ডের হচ্ছে আনরেসপন্সিভনেস হচ্ছে, বাট মেনটেন রেসপন্সিভ টু আদার, অন্য লিগ্যান্ডের সঙ্গে যখন এক্সপোজার হচ্ছে তখন সেটা কিন্তু মেনটেন করছে যে রেসপন্সিভনেস, বাট পার্টিকুলার দ্যাট লিগ্যান্ড ইট বিকামস আনরেসপন্সিভ। আর হেটেরোলোগাস ডিসেন্সিটাইজেশন কি হচ্ছে, দ্যাট ইজ দি আনরেসপন্সিভ টু other ligands as well. All the ligands, exposure to all the ligands, it becomes the unresponsive. কোনো লিগ্যান্ডের সঙ্গে এটা কাজ করছে না, it becomes unresponsive to all the ligand. Reuptake of the neurotransmitter. This is the important part. This reuptake is a process by which neurotransmitters are rapidly transported from the synaptic cleft back into the cytoplasm of neuron that secreted them. যে নার্ভ এন্ডিং দিয়ে প্রিসাইনাপটিক নার্ভ এন্ডিং দিয়ে নিউরোট্রান্সমিটার রিলিজ হলো, after the action it is taken up by that nerve ending, and there is the decreased concentration of the neurotransmitter occurs. It involves high affinity sodium dependent membrane transporter. Sodium dependent membrane transporter দিয়ে আবার reuptake হয়ে যাচ্ছে. Importance of the reuptake. It is the major factor in terminating the action of the neurotransmitters. When it is inhibited, that is when there is the reuptake is inhibited, the neurotransmitter become available for a long time, so the action of the neurotransmitter becomes prolonged. Applied. Number 1, antidepressant. It inhibits reuptake of the amine neurotransmitter. The amine neurotransmitter এটা হচ্ছে reuptake inhibit করে হচ্ছে antidepressant. Cocaine, it inhibits the dopamine reuptake. In ischemia and stroke, there is the loss of neuron is increased. Ischemia and stroke কি হচ্ছে, there is the damage and there is the loss of neuron বাড়ছে, তাতে কি করে বাড়ছে, in this case there is the reuptake of the glutamate is inhibited, and glutamate হচ্ছে কি, glutamate is excitotoxin and it causes the cell death. So as the glutamate reuptake is inhibited, more cell death occurs and the loss of neuron increases.